Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Max drone. First, ensure your drone's battery is fully charged. This typically takes about 90 minutes. Next, carefully attach all 4 propellers, making sure each one is correctly oriented. Before your first flight, perform a compass calibration by rotating the drone horizontally and then vertically. Finally, connect your smartphone or tablet to the drone's dedicated Wi-Fi network to establish control. Once connected, mastering the controls is key. The left joystick manages your drone's altitude and its rotational movement, known as yaw. The right joystick controls forward, backward, and lateral movements. Practice gentle takeoffs and smooth landings in an open, clear space. For new pilots, engaging the beginner mode provides enhanced stability and limits speed, making initial flights much easier to manage and enjoy. The Max drone offers impressive capabilities. Its camera records stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, capturing incredible detail. Explore intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me or waypoint navigation for automated shots. This drone boasts an impressive control range of up to 2,000 meters, allowing for expansive exploration. You can easily adjust all camera settings, including resolution and exposure, directly through the intuitive companion application on your device. Safety is paramount for every flight. Always conduct a thorough pre-flight check, inspecting propellers for damage and confirming sufficient battery levels. Fly your drone in open, unobstructed areas, far from crowds, structures, and restricted airspace. It is crucial to maintain a direct line of sight with your drone throughout its entire flight. For optimal battery health, store your drone batteries at approximately 50% charge when not in use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.